Hello again. You're a bit taller than last time.
Yes, that was my introduction.
On the floor now, you are on a box. I mean, I'm 180 centimeters.
Actually, I'm 187.96. Ladies.
Why are you wearing a vest to make lunch? You're just being really, really vain. Show off your massive guns. I just want to say, one, thanks for noticing, and two, and I'm not being vain, it's because I've just been doing a workout and now I'm going to have some eggs. I'm going to teach you how to make scrambled eggs. The ultimate scrambled eggs recipe, the only one you'll ever need. There's going to be lots of controversy around this. There's going to be a few things that people will be like, no, what? You don't do this, you don't do that. But no, this is the best one. So number one thing, 6 eggs.
Obviously.
Just crack them in, get it in. Obviously eggs are absolutely fantastic for you. Good protein, good fat, good cholesterol, all of that good. So 6 eggs. There are loads of micronutrients in eggs as well, I think, like zinc.
Don't look at me, bro. You're the one who said it. Can't take it back now.
What's that? Good idea. Anyway, absolutely fantastic. So you get them in a bowl, like so. Don't worry about if you crack it.
Because you can't make an omelette without breaking a few eggs.
So we're going to be whisked. Then a whisk, get a spoon, get a fork.
Why did you say spoon? God.
There you go.
Wah, 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 wah.
I know a lot of you thinking like, Nick, why are you drinking puddle water? I'm not drinking puddle water, it's just like every morning when I wake up I make myself a protein shake, mainly because I'm not like really chasing the games.
Chasing the games? Oh my god, I can't believe I said that.
It's just because I cannot be asked to make breakfast as the main thing, so I just make myself one of these and then I'm also really lazy, so I cannot be asked to wash it either. So I just fill that up with water and then drink that. It's just like off flavoured. Yeah, it's puddle water really.
Puddle water, available nowhere.
Just gonna get a pan, turn on the hob to a reasonable heat, not like ridiculous, but not like nothing.
Nice and vague, fantastic.
Oh, look at that. This is professional. Right, so that's getting hot. Okay, the trick to good scrambled eggs is a ridiculous amount of butter. That's pretty much all there is to it. Nothing more, nothing less. Look at the wedge on.
High cholesterol, eat your heart out.
Gonna let that just melt. And the thing is, you just want to let it to just
want to let it to just.
It's all melted, not too. You think of my socks? Yeah. Okay, so anyway, that's melted away nicely there. And then next, scrambled eggs. People are thinking, Nick, do you not put any milk in? No, I don't put any milk in because I'm not a kiddie fiddler. No, I just don't like. I'm just not that fussed on milk. So that in there, that's still melting away nicely. Next, chili flakes, controversial. I do put chili in a lot of things. Next, pepper. Oh, beautiful. Love a bit of pepper. Very, very nice. This butter's still going. Wait till it's completely gone. And like you say, you don't really want it to bubble is the thing. You don't want to burn the butter. So we're just trying to melt it rather than cook it. Just a pinch of salt. Oh, wow. Yeah, almost. Just about. I can go in now to be fair. Give this another whisk. Nice and flavoursome. And in we go. Like so. Get a spatula, you don't want to waste any of these eggs, these embryos, these little fetuses. Sorry, vegans. But I don't really care. I mean, I think when I'm older, actually, I think I really want to get like a little chicken coop. I think like Bill Gates said that if he was in a third world country, the one thing that he would get is chickens. Because obviously they like reproduce loads. I mean, and they just like, obviously you get free, like loads of free food and they just sort of peck it. Well, you have to get grain, I guess, but I think grain's too expensive. I don't know, I have to look at the market price, the market cap of grain, but we'll see. So anyway, so we're just doing this. So high heat, low heat, doesn't really matter, as long as you just pay a bit of attention. Good thing about scrambled eggs is love and care. Scrambled eggs need love and attention. That is pretty much it. You don't want it to burn at the bottom of the pan, so you just want to keep moving it. Sometimes you can wait for 2 minutes, let it sort of develop like a skin, and then move it around again. So I guess you can, you can keep, yeah, I guess, yeah, I could fast forward this. Yeah? Yeah, we'll do that, because otherwise it's just going to be me waffling absolute sugar. Clean as you go, people, clean as you go. Oh wait, no, I'm thinking of somebody else. Yes, I do the cooking. Yes, I do the cleaning. I know. I was thinking of the WAP song, where she's like, I don't cook and I don't clean, but let me tell you, I got this thing. But you know. Oh! You ladies do what you want. You want to be promiscuous, the pills allowed you to do that, go for it. Live your best lives. Saying. Yeah, just keep stirring in. You don't want it to stick to the bottom of the pan. That is an absolute nightmare. If you can hear that, you can hear the little, which is a good sound. Yeah, that, which means it's cooking nicely. Ooh. So yeah, my parents got a nice new fancy kitchen. Yes, I'm living at home. I know I'm 25 years old, living at home. COVID, that's my excuse anyway. I thought I'd retrain, selling my soul for security. I'm doing a coding course. And look at me, it is tedious, but I'm gonna do it. Gotta get that dough, bro. Gotta get that moolah. Shula. Yeah, this is really easy. And this is normally like, this is my go-to lunch. Like I'll be having this 4 or 5 times a week. Like I say, it's not just like, I'm absolutely trying to find the gains wherever I can.
Find the gains. I don't even know who this guy is, I swear.
Mainly just because it's so easy and I really can't be asked to cook like half the time. And also I'm cheap. It's very cheap and eggs are cheap.
Cheap like a chicken? Cheap? Anyone?
So my breakfast consists of, I say, protein shake, mass gain of protein shake, get like
If this guy says gains one more time.
100 calories in, and then this for lunch, and that's for like 5 days a week. That's all I'm having for breakfast and lunch. And then dinner normally I go a little bit more out, like I've got a little bit more time to like fart about with like ideas and stuff. But no, I'm a cheap date.
Cheap like a chicken.
Easy to feed, easy to please. But yeah, this is what we are doing. Scrambled eggs. Oh my goodness. So yes, I can make breakfast. I know everyone's thinking that. And I do make a good breakfast. If you, to be fair, I can make proper good English breakfast. Like if I go for it, beans. I'll show you how to make. I'll show you how. I love doing one of these. I'll show you how to make beans as well. It's pretty
Make beans. Look out for that content, people.
similar, to be fair. Just lots of butter. Lots of butter and.
Nick, you're overselling the beans. Rein it in, man. Rein it in.
Yeah, lots of butter, salt, pepper, chili. It's literally the same as the scrambled egg recipe, but it's just better. So sort of like beans with a twist. I make
Beans with a twist.
that in the morning as well. Sometimes it can be asked. But yeah, like I say, most of the time it's just protein shake, eggs. Protein shake and eggs, just because it's easy. Easy, healthy, cheap. Just like me. Right, we're getting there. I do sort of like my eggs. I know it's going to sound, some people get like really freaked out with this, but I still do like my eggs like a little bit runny. Do you know what I mean? I know it's a bit of a contentious issue. Like some people are like, oh my god, it's not, it's still clucking, bro. But no, I do like, yeah. You could still give birth to that. Birth to it? Give birth to it, gestate it? But it still could be gestated? Yeah?
Sounds legit.
I don't know. But anyway, if you know anything about biology, once you heat over a certain level, the enzymes denature. And enzymes are like a little protein, sort of like transporters. So they do all manner of things. Once you get them over a certain temperature, they denature, and you cannot renature them once they've been denatured. If that makes sense. Like you can't uncook toast. Okay, so they're about done to me. This is the plating ceremony. There we go. That's for you, so I know some of you might get freaked out. They're like weird, already done eggs. So yeah, there it is. Scrambled eggs. You want to be a bit fancy, flirty, a bit kinky. Get yourself a bit of coriander, a bit of greenery. Look, Jamie Oliver, your heart, bosh. Okay, that was terrible. But yeah, look at that. Tell me you don't want to eat that.
Nick, I don't want to eat that.
There we are, scrambled eggs. Chili, whatever, pepper, and lots of butter. No milk. 15-minute meal. And then really good nutritional value. So I'm out of things. Really good nutritional value. Yeah. Scrambled eggs, way to go. Every lunch. All of you.